Well, hello everybody. This is Mark with A&M Prospecting. I hope everybody's having a great day. We're headed out on another adventure. Just thought I'd bring you along for a bit of the drive. Nice. Nice, nice. Anyway, I will bring you back when we get a little further in. Well, we're getting closer. Just thought I'd bring you back. Go for a little drive. It's a beautiful day. Alright, I'll bring you back again. There's the river down there. So a bit of a steep bank. Nothing we can't overcome. Okay, we're gonna try right in here. And dig that little crevice out. Water flows through here. And the water's a bit higher, so I think we're gonna try right in here. Okay, we're ready to go. Digging out these. Where to put the rocks? Over here, I guess. Decomposing bedrock. Love it. Wash all these little pieces off down there. Yeah. I'll bring you back. Alrighty. You've this cleaned out fairly well. I need to get the mother sucker down here. Suck this right out nice and dry. I washed all these walls down. Got as much as a bedrock out of there as I could. Looks like it might be alright. So anyway, I'll bring you back. I'm gonna get the mother sucker geared up. It's soaking at the moment, so I'll get back to you shortly. Alright, we've got the mother sucker out. Mm. Together. I think we have it sucked out. Alright. Give that pan a quick spin. I'll bring you back when I find a spot. Okay. Not a whole lot of material, but I'd like to find some nice rocks to tumble. Yeah, it sure is a beautiful day. Just out having some fun and enjoying the peace. That's it. That is it. See what we can find. Not looking good. I don't see anything. Well, we'll try again, have some more fun. Hello everybody. I hope you had a great adventure. I did. It was a beautiful day. Beautiful day. A few black flies, but you deal with those. But yeah, I ended up getting wet. Went over my hip waders on the way out. That was pretty funny. But anyway, all in all, I'd like to thank any new subscribers or visitors. Thank you for coming along, and thank you for subscribing if you have. It's much appreciated. My existing subscribers, you know how much I love you. You guys make it happen. You keep me going, and everything is good. So that's it, guys. Until next time, we'll see you later.